Oh, here we are, guys. Universal City Walk, about to go into Universal Studios.
We're gonna add more steps to that count.
27,000 steps yesterday. What's another 5?
I'm so excited. I haven't been here in so long. My mother-in-law, she hasn't been here in like probably what, 10 years?
Probably. So unlike in Disneyland, no proof of vax or negative test required, but since we're in LA County, they do things a little bit differently.
It's been a while since we've been here, a couple of years. So we're excited to try the new rides, the new snacks. I've never had butterbeer. We've never had butterbeer, so hey, beer, is it good? I don't know.
I'm gonna have a bar. Good.
So let's do this. We're gonna have some fun. Look at that, how pretty.
In LA County is bugging me.
I know. But what are you gonna do about it?
It's all good. Make the best of it.
Guys, come along with us. Let's go check out the studio tours, yeah?
So we're doing the express lane life. That's general over there. We're going right to the front. Why not? Live a little.
Yeah, well, you know what? This is a good thing. We need the rain. Yes, we do. We need the rain here in Southern California. All this with Steve Martin, Chevy Chase, Big Fat Liar, yes. Paul Giamatti, Frank. Oh, whoa! Oh no! Oh my goodness, guys!
You can't outrun the wolf, kid!
Oh no, guys, I think this might be the big one! That was our earthquake. You know, that's his boat out there. He's a policeman with the Amity Island Police Department. Hey. Oh no. Did he catch the wrong shark? Oh no. Oh my goodness. Guys, don't look. You don't want to see this. Poor George. Oh no. Turn your head, Cesar. Oh. All right, stay calm. We're going to be fine. We're going to take you over here by these gasoline tanks where it's safe.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Over here.
But evidently we're not. Evidently we're in the middle of an alien invasion. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the spectacular plane crash site for Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. And that is an actual 747 that you see over there, and it was destroyed specifically for this incredible scene from the film.
Okay, guys, it's showtime! Look to the left! I got the full amount of now we're moving.
Yeah!
No, look out! You give me the witness to...
How did you like it? He loved it. What is this, babe?
Kung Fu Panda.
Yeah.
Woo!
Little nephew ready to rock. Miss Jessica ready, my brother. Alex rocking a T2 shirt. You youngins don't know that. Also called Genesis. What about this?
Show's just about to begin. Oh boy!
Comment down below if you know what that's about. What are we doing? What do you want to watch? Kung Fu Panda?
Yeah. Kung Fu Panda time.
Just kidding. I have no idea.
Where we go, maybe? Lower lot?
Lower lot. Yeah.
Just got off The Simpsons. That was cool. It's 15, 20 years old at this point. It's cool. It's alright. I miss the old Back to the Future though, but
But it was cute. It was so much fun.
yeah, it was cool. Look at this view, guys. Wow. Jurassic Park, the ride?
Yes.
Dinosaurs, a vast ocean is home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
We got lucky there.
We just got out of Jurassic Park. That was so much fun. We actually didn't like get too wet. We got pretty lucky going down on the ride. But those little dinosaurs, man, they got us good on the side, like before the drop. So good move, Universal, good move.
Now this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, but remember, we're also dealing with a wild animal, so please, no sudden movements, and for your safety, do not approach the raptor. If everyone follows the rules, you all will be perfectly safe, don't worry. We have everything. We have everything under control. She is definitely ready to come meet you all. All right, let's open the gates! Hey, eyes on me, Blue. Blue. Ho! Eyes on me. Blue. Hey! That is more like it. Okay, calm down. And we're moving. Full height, she stands at around 10 feet tall. She is 14 feet long. And she weighs around 1,000 pounds. It's perfect. Now, one of the reasons we can bring Blue out here today, easy. Again, velociraptors are very, very curious. She will come in for a closer look from her.
Oh yeah, that's cute. Oh wow.
Oh, cut you this way and that. I'll make you look like a waffle.
Hey, how does it know I'm the guy and you're the girl?
I don't know.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
So soft.
That's it! You guys got homes! Yeah! That's right, you attract the...
I'm happy to say, showed us the
Grinch slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant.
Okay! I can hear you. What's that guy's fault?
The Grinch slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant around the whole room, and he took every present. He cleaned out the icebox as quick as a flash. Why, the Grinch even took the last can of blue hash. Toys, tinsel, and
and here we go!
are rad. That's such a fun night today at Universal Studios. The whole weekend, Disneyland. Like, it was more than we expected it to be.
Universal Studios, awesome as always. We haven't been here in what, 8, 10 years?
Over 10 years.
Lots of new stuff. The whole LA County mask mandate. I mean, it is what it is. Just follow it, but it was fun overall.
All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for joining us and watching. Have a good night. We love you guys.